Hey friends, thank you for stopping by. So, today is a huge day. Okay? Really is a huge day for, I swear, this is like the most insane unboxing I've ever done in a very long time. So, I just got this yesterday, but so like I said, Shady Tico contacted me and was wondering if I would be interested in getting some tools, or what I call a really cool, shirt that he was gonna send me, so, however, VIM tools. That is 1/6 sticker. And surprisingly, what came in the box was, I had, he gave me this bad boy, made Pliers, made Pliers, and, you can really see the quality of this tool. Definitely gonna be using that for sure. And I do have another Pliers set from Mac Tools, which shout out to him for my buddy Schmitz. He sent me the package of a 2-piece Pliers set. But that's not all, friends, that he sent me. He sent me this sticker. In fact, there's a lot of stickers on here, friends, that he gave me. I'm gonna put some of these stickers on my sticker board. But like I said, perfect, quality tools since 1985. Wow. And huge VIM tools. It's pretty cool. Jasper made me buy it. What a cool sticker. And of course, the big Connectbacks brand of tools. And in fact, I'm gonna get some of them small Cobras. And then he gave me this bad boy, Easy Red, set of 3. The 8-inch needle nose cutting pliers, needle nose digital pliers, and slip joint pliers. These 3-piece set from Zero is great for professionals and DIY projects alike. And the part number for this bad boy is a GSPS3GR. And little sticker says quality discount tool. And yeah. And so let me bring these out. Wow, that is amazing. Look at that. This will be really good use for zip ties or whatever I needs to be. And of course, here's the needle nose. Everybody's gotta have a needle nose in their toolbox. Getting loose here. And of course, the other one. The slip joint pliers. Very cool. And zero red. So yeah, these are 8-inch ones. Like I said, it's pretty amazing. And so and then of course he also sent me this, but I don't even know what the heck that is. So Nick, if you want to send me an email about this, or send me a message about this specific tool, I don't even know what it is yet, but looks pretty cool. But as you can see, it's like a pry bar maybe or something. But really, thank you, Tico, for sending me this incredible package of stuff and everything else. Yeah, I'm gonna use some of these in use. Definitely. Yeah. Let me put this in my other box that I got from Craftsman. Shout out to Craftsman for the toolboxes that I have from them. And yes, these are Comfort Grip in green. And so for those of you that don't know, my boy Pastor Jude, he's addicted to green tools, so yeah, check that out. And then of course the cutter itself, that is one bad to the bone. Check the other side. Pretty cool. And then of course got this other side. Got some nose going on. Yeah, it's quite cool. Here's the oh, it's got teeth on the end of it too. Need a nose. It's gonna get broken in, but it'll get loose once in a while. But yeah, like I said, friends, thank you, Zero Red, and thank you to Tico for sending me this, man. I appreciate that so much, dude. I might be getting more tools from Easy Rad, maybe. Maybe they're double boxing wrenches from there, but like I said, it's really great to really kind of cool to it doesn't really fit in there, huh? There you go. Now I got it. Takes a little bit, but so we got the diagonal pliers and slip joint pliers. So this is the slip joint, and then you have the diagonal pliers. And they have the slip joint pliers. Driven by and they do have Facebook and Instagram if you want to check them on Instagram and Facebook. I'll definitely be checking them out too and see what they have for tools. So yeah, I'm thinking about my good friend of mine, Paso Jude, really cool, really amazing friend. You should go check him on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and everything in between, so that you can talk to him about other stuff. And yeah, again, thank you, Shady Tico, for sending me this awesome package. Yeah, that'd be a great video for today, and yeah, we'll talk to you tomorrow. And there might be a live stream tonight. So if you guys want to be a guest on my panel tonight, let me know, and I'll definitely send you an email on the link to your email, and I will be definitely posting my email for that. So be on the lookout for that. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And always remember that if you guys are not having a bad day, you can call me anytime, or you can text me anytime of the day. You guys are more than welcome to call me. No, seriously, you guys really are you guys are more than welcome to call me if you guys need anything, because I'm here for you guys, and hopefully you're here for me. So that's the real thing why we always want to be, YouTubers. We get things done, and I really am proud to be a YouTuber. And this feels so much better than my other pliers that I have. Honestly, I really can't say enough good things about these. I really do like these pliers. They fit my hand really good, and so yeah, I really enjoy it. So if I'm up in New Jersey, and if I would go and maybe stop by and say hi to Nick and see how he's doing over there at Jersey Discount Tool. And yes, friends, he does run a tool truck, which is kind of cool. So and yes, I might want to work at a tool truck brand, like actual tool truck thing. So, but that'll be for a different reason, So yeah, and really, thank you, Nick. Oh man, these are really cool tools, I must say. The only downside is see the Shady Tico. The skull, though, I can't really see, but I have no complaints whatsoever. Actually, you can see that, actually, a little bit. Right there. So, but anyway, friends, I just wanted to give a little shout out to both Nick and his friends over there at J. Deco. Thanks, buddy, for sending me this. I will definitely use these as zip tie cutters. So I really do hope that I really am gonna be really impressed with these if they really cut really good. So Easy Ride, shout out to you too. Thanks for sending me this, and you make really good tools, I heard from a lot of people. So yeah. Yep. So so with that being said, friends, I gotta get going, and happy Sunday to you all, and yes, I'll do a video live stream sometime tomorrow, maybe. I am very tired. I woke up early and then went to a family reunion after church this morning, and now I'm tired, so yeah. But anyway, really cannot thank you guys enough for being on my channel. Seriously, friends, I cannot thank you guys enough. And there's gonna be new videos coming out from my sticker board, if but I just cannot wait to put these on the sticker board, and made a bigger ones on my toolbox, maybe. But like I said, VIM tools, I hope you guys, I want to get some of them, if they're really good quality tools, and of course, Easy Ride, of course. Yeah, so I'll talk to you next time.